Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast from scratch. First, let's prepare our delicious batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of milk. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra touch of warmth, add a small pinch of ground cinnamon. This simple mixture forms the perfect base for your homemade French toast. Now that your batter is ready, let's talk about the bread and cooking. Choose a thick-cut bread, ideally about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch thick, for the best texture. Quickly dip each slice into the batter, making sure it's fully saturated but not soggy. Cook on a lightly buttered griddle or pan over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Achieving that perfect golden brown crust is key to amazing French toast. Make sure your griddle is consistently preheated to a medium temperature before adding the bread. Resist the urge to flip too early. Wait until the first side is a beautiful golden brown. Flip only once, then cook the other side. Serve your delicious French toast immediately with maple syrup, fresh berries, or powdered sugar. To truly elevate your French toast, get creative with toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of chocolate chips can make a huge difference. For an even richer, more decadent experience, try using brioche or challah bread. Remember, the best French toast is made with love and a little experimentation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.